My name is
What's my
Bellamy.
name again? Oh yeah, Coyote on pause or whatever.
I'm
Keep it down.
Star Candy.
Why does my hair look like romance?
Keep it
Sorry, friends. Anyways, this is my first video.
Except for that weird Toka Boca one.
Oh, I made that one like 5 years ago. Anyways, I'm Everly. That's Bellamy. That's Jaden. She's a butthole.
You're the butthole. You're the one who.
No, I'm not. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna do quads. So we're gonna set it up somewhere. Where are we gonna set it up? Whoa! Big Back, I'm still recording. No, you're not. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, let's do quads right here.
It stinks.
Are you ready?
No. I'm the recorder. You guys have to get good reviews.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Hey, don't pause it. Okay.
No.
I'm gonna do it first. Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, it's so bad. Okay, your turn.
No. You want to know who I am? I'm the raider. Okay.
Why are you wearing my leg warmers?
Because I feel like it.
Okay.
I'm the what is it?
Oh! Okay.
Okay. That was.
Jaden, I think it's your turn now.
No, I'm the one.
Yeah, because she's embarrassed of doing jumps, so she's like.
Okay.
Because I hate doing jumps.
Skibbity. Bye guys.
What?
I'm gonna record you with your mask off.